Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix credit card issues with American Express step by step clearly. If you encounter issues with your American Express credit card, follow these steps to resolve them. Start by identifying the specific problem you're facing. Common issues include unauthorized charges, billing errors, or difficulty accessing your account. Once you've pinpointed the issue, gather relevant documentation. This may include recent statements, receipts, or any correspondence with American Express. Next, log into your American Express account online. If you haven't registered yet, you'll need to create an online profile. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for options related to billing disputes or fraud reporting. If your issue is with unauthorized charges, select the Fraud Reporting option. Follow the prompts to report the unauthorized transaction. Make sure to provide as much detail as possible, including dates and amounts. If you're dealing with a billing error, locate the section for billing disputes. Fill out the necessary forms outlining the discrepancies. Be sure to attach any relevant documentation supporting your claim. If online resolution isn't an option, consider calling customer service. Use the number on the back of your card to connect with a representative. Prepare to provide your card information and details about the issue. Stay patient and take notes during the conversation. The representative may ask for specific information or documentation. If the issue isn't resolved immediately, inquire about the next steps. Request a timeline for when you can expect a follow-up. Keep track of all communications, including dates and names of representatives. If you receive a response from American Express, review it carefully. Ensure the solution addresses your issue satisfactorily. If you remain unsatisfied, consider escalating the issue. Ask to speak with a supervisor or specialist. Document this interaction as well for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.